Guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will be discussing about mode, one of the measures of central tendency. In grade 9 you have learned how to find mode of an ungrouped data. So if in an ungrouped data, mode is the most frequently occurred observation. In a grouped data, how to find mode? So we will be using this formula for finding mode. So for finding the model class, the class with maximum frequency is the model class. Then mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H, where L is the lower limit of the model class, F1 is the frequency of the class, frequency of the model class, F0 is the frequency of the class preceding the model class, F2 is the frequency of the class succeeding the model class, and H is the class size. H is the class size. So this formula we are going to use for finding mode. So let us start exercise 14.2. First question in exercise 14.2, age in years and number of patients, we need to find mode of this grouped data. Here if you observe, the frequency is 6, 11, 21, 23, 14, 5. What is the maximum frequency? 23. So the class with the maximum frequency is the model class. The class with maximum frequency is the model class. So this is what? 23. L is the lower limit of the model class. So for model class is 35 to 45. Lower limit of the model class L, and F1 is the frequency of the model class. F0 is the class preceding the model class. F2 is the class succeeding the model class, and H is the class size. Here L is equal to 35, F1 is equal to 23, F0 is equal to 21, F2 is equal to 14, and H is the class size. Class size is nothing but difference of the upper class limit and lower class limit. So here it is 15 minus 5, that is 10. Now we will use the formula. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Now we need to substitute the values. All the values we are having now. So just we need to substitute the values. L is 35. F1 frequency of the model class minus F0 frequency of the class preceding the model class, that is what? 21 by 2 F1 2 into 23 minus F0 21 minus F2 14 into H is the class size. Here it is 10. So 35 plus 23 minus 21 2 by 2 into 23 46 minus 21 14 35 into 10. So 35 plus 2 by 46 minus 35, that is 11 into 10, that is equal to 35 plus 2 10 ja 20 by 11, that is equal to 35 plus, now we need to divide 20 by 11, it is 1.8 1 approx. That is equal to 36.81 approx. This is how to find mode of a grouped data. Question number 2. Here we need to find mode of this grouped data. So first we need to decide model class. How to decide model class? So the class with the maximum frequency is the model class. So here it is 10, 35, 52, 61, 38, 29. Maximum frequency is 61. So the class with maximum frequency is 60 to 80. So this is what model class Now F1. F1 means frequency of the model class. F0, frequency of the class preceding the model class. F2, frequency of the class succeeding the model class. L is the lower limit of the model class and H is the class size. Here it is the class size is 20 minus 0, that is 20. So L is equal to 60, F1 61, F0 52, F2 38 and class H is the class size, that is 20. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So L, lower limit of the model class, that is 60 plus F1 61 minus F0 52 by 2 F1 2 into 61 minus F0 52 minus F2 38 into H, class size 20. 60 plus 61 minus 52, that is 9 by 2 into 61 122 minus 52 plus 38 90 into 20. 60 plus 9 by 122 minus 90, which is nothing but 32 into 20. Now you can cancel 4 table here. In 20 5 times, 32 8 times. So this is equal to 60 plus 9 into 5 45 by 8. 60 plus 45 by 8. So 45 by 8 division we need to do here. 5 times 8 5s are 40. So in 50 6 times, in 20 2 times. So approx. So mode is equal to 60 plus 5.62, that is 65.62 approx. Question number 3, exercise 14.2. The data is given expenditure of a number of families. We need to find model expenditure of the families, that is what they ask us to find. So how to find model class? 24, 40, 33, 28, 30, 22, 16, 17. So maximum frequency is 40. So this is what the model class. Now L, lower limit of the model class 1500. F1, that is frequency of the model class 40. F0, frequency of the class preceding the model class 24. F2, frequency of the class succeeding the model class, that is 33. And what else we need here to find mode? H, that is what? Class size. Class size is here 1500 minus 1000, that is 500. Now mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. 1500 plus 40 minus F0 24 by 2 into 40 minus F0 24 minus F2 33 into 500. So 1500 plus 40 minus 24, that is 16 by 2 40s are 80 minus 24 plus 33. Because both are having negative sign, we need to add 57 into 500. This is equal to 1500 plus 16 by 80 minus 57, that is 23 into 500. 1500 plus 16 5s are 80 and 2 zeros. So 16 into 500 is 8000 by 23. Because this is a big division, we will do it here. 8000 divided by 23. 3 times 69. 1 1, bring down 0. So this is 4 times 3 4 are 12, 92. So 10 minus 2, 8. 10 1, bring down 0. This is 180. So 7 times 7 3s are 21. 7 2s are 14 plus 2, 16. So 10 minus 1, 9, and 1, 19. So decimal point 19 becomes 190. 8 times 184. So 6, 60. 2 times 46. So we will stop it here. So this is equal to 1500 plus. Actually, we need to find up to 3 decimal places and we need to correct up to 2 decimal places. So we will find one more place there. Up to 2 decimal places we found there. So one more place, if we find 140, this is 140. So 6 times 138, then we will stop it here. 347.826. So this is equal to 1500 plus. We found up to 3 decimal places and we will correct up to 2 decimal places. 347.83, because this is 6 more than 5. So we will add 1 to this previous number and we will remove that. So this is equal to, okay, so 1847.83. This is what mode is equal to. Here they asked us to find model monthly expenditure of the family. So this is what the model monthly expenditure of the family is, 1847.83. This is expenditure will be in rupees. So model monthly expenditure is rupees 1847.83. I have given student teacher ratio and they asked us to find mode and mean of this data and interpret the data. Firstly, we will find mode of this data. So model class is 30 to 35 as the frequency is 10, maximum frequency is 10. So this is what model class. Then L, lower limit of the model class is 30. Then F1, frequency of the model class is 10. F0, frequency of the class preceding the model class, that is 9. F2, frequency of the class succeeding the model class, that is 3. And H is the class size, that is 5. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So that is 30 plus F1 10 minus F0 9 by 2 F1, 2 tens are 20 minus F0 9 minus F2 3 into H is 5. So 30 plus 10 minus 9 1 by 20 minus 9 plus 3 12 into 5. 30 plus 1 by 20 minus 12 8 into 5, that is equal to 30 plus 5 by 8, that is 30 plus 0.625, that is equal to 30.625 is the mode of this data. Now we will find mean of this data. So we use step deviation method for finding mean. For that, for finding mean, we need to find class mark. Class mark is nothing but average of upper class limit and lower class limit. So here 15 plus 20 by 2, that is 35 by 2. So 17.5, 22.5, 27.5, 32.5, 37.5, 42.5, 47.5, this is 52.5. Now we have to find A. A is assumed mean. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 observations, even number of observations. So in these two middle observations, we have to select one as A, assumed mean. So I am taking it as 32.5 as A. This is assumed mean. You can take even 37.5, you will get same answer. Now DI, how we will get DI? Xi minus A. So 17.5 minus 32.5, that is minus 15, then minus 10, minus 5, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20. Then how we will get UI? UI is nothing but DI by H. So what we get DI here? Minus 15. By H means class size. Here class size is 5. So minus 15 by 5. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now last column is Fi UI. Fi UI. 3 into minus 3, minus 9. 8 into minus 2, minus 16. 9 into minus 1, minus 9. 10 into 0, 0. 3 into 1, 3. 0 into 2, 0. 0 into 3, 0. 2 into 4, 8. Now we need to find sigma Fi. Sigma means sum of the frequencies. Sigma Fi means sum of the frequencies. 3 plus 8, 11 plus 9, 20, 30, 33 plus 2, 35. Sigma Fi is 35, and we need to find even sigma Fi UI. Sigma Fi UI. Here minus all these three are negative. So we will add these three observations. 16 plus 9, 25 plus 9, 34. Minus 34, 3 plus 8, 11. Minus 34, here plus 11. So minus 23. Minus 34 plus 11. So minus 23. Now mean. Mean is denoted by x bar. Mean x bar is equal to A plus sigma Fi UI by sigma Fi into H. A, assumed mean 32.5 plus minus 23 by 35 into H is 5. This is equal to 32.5 plus 5 3 are 15 minus 115 by 35. This is equal to 32.5 plus of minus minus. So 115, 35. So 35 3 times. 35 3s are 105. So 100. 100 means 0.2. That is equal to 29.3 is the mean of this data. So here we got mode as 30.625 and mean as 29.3. This is what approx value. This is what approx value. So mode and mean, they asked us to interpret the data. So mode we got 30.625, that means maximum teacher student ratio is 30.625, whereas average is 29.3. This is what the interpretation.